Hey everyone, I'm Robin. Welcome back to our 7 official channel. Today I'm excited here to unbox and set up the Falcon Pro. We have made upgrades and I will show you from opening box to full setup. Let's dive in. Okay, thanks to installation. Now let's talk about the upgrade. We have a bigger, more responsive display with multiple theme and light sensor, upgraded switches, and lightweight turn signal and better materials. One of the biggest highlights is phone suspension. We have upgraded faster 2.0 fork, which can offer much better shock absorption and handling for rough terrains. Check out the NFC card. Tap the card here to lock and unlock. You can also theme your smartphone, making it easy to get on and write. Here's the Falcon Pro unboxed and set up. It has many features and is ready for any trade. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell to stay updated with all our latest videos. And remember, write the future with 7 Boy. Catch you in the next one.